Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a leaking kitchen sink faucet step by step. Right here, we've got a Delta single lever faucet, and as you can see, it's dripping. So let's walk through the exact steps to get this leak repaired quickly and easily. Step 1. Shut off the water. Before doing anything, make sure to shut off the water supply. Under the sink, you'll find hot and cold shut-off valves. Turn both valves clockwise until they're fully closed. Great! Now the faucet is safe to work on. Step 2. Remove the handle. Use your hex key to loosen the set screw located beneath the handle. Once the screw is removed, simply lift off the lever handle. Step 3. Remove the dome cap. Next, use your pipe wrench to loosen the dome-shaped cap. Turn carefully to avoid cross-threading. Step 4. Remove the washers and springs. Inside the faucet, you'll see 2 black rubber washers, each sitting on top of a spring. Use your flat screwdriver to gently lift the washers out. Notice how they're positioned. The cupped/concave side faces downward. Place them aside in the same orientation so you can reinstall correctly. Now remove the springs. The springs are shaped differently on each end. Narrow end up, wider end down. Remember this for reinstallation. As you can see, the old washer set is worn out and misshaped. That's exactly why this faucet was leaking. Step 5. Install new springs and washers. Place the narrow end of each spring into the seat of its new washer. Use your screwdriver to carefully press the spring and washer assembly back into its chamber. Make sure each one is seated firmly and straight. Step 6. Reinstall the ball assembly. Drop the ball assembly back into place. Then reinstall the plastic alignment washer. Notice the small tab or stump on the washer. It must align with the matching notch on the faucet housing. Step 7. Reassemble the faucet. Screw the dome cap back on. Tighten it, but don't over-tighten. Slide the handle back in place, reinstall the set screw, and tighten it with your hex key. Step 8. Turn the water back on. Turn the shut-off valves back to the on position. Test the faucet, and there you go, no more leak. The repair is done, and the faucet works like new. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please support the channel by subscribing, liking the video, and leaving your thoughts in the comments. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next repair video.